Hello everyone. Good evening. Welcome to our AJ Automation first demo class. We are giving a free Java, Selenium, and interview preparation classes for our subscriber. And I welcome all of you uh, to join those people who are joining with us. I welcome all of you. So, guys, uh, this is the demo class, and I'll be just briefing about like how we'll go further with the our classes. Mostly we are concentrating on Selenium, and for Selenium, as you all know, Selenium is an open source tool, and it's mostly used for automating the web application, and mostly will be using Java with Selenium. And for that, we have a team. I'll introduce Tejas. So he will be taking care of Java part. And uh, Tejas, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, Amit. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing good. We have Ms. Santosh also joined us. We are good to go, Tejas. So uh,
Mm.
you just please tell our audience and our fellow teammates like how we should go with Java, like which
Yeah,
all
yeah.
part are needed for Selenium. So you can just
Yes,
give
yes.
a brief, and you can also tell us like which all part we are going to cover in our
Hmm.
Selenium Java courses, so that like our audience also come to know about like how we'll go for the further classes and how our classes will go. So please go ahead, Tejas. Over to you.
Yes, Amit. Yeah. Purely like nowadays, manual is not worth. If you know only manual thing, if you're not able to get the job or main concern why we go for job is CTC. So CTC concern will be there if you know only manual things, then CTC will be less. And nowadays you're not able to get job in only if you know manual. So people will prefer for automation things. Automation in the sense many free tools are there in market, and some companies they will like paid tools like Cypress and all actually are paid, but free version also is there, but it will be free, free also it will be there. So usually most of the companies will prefer for the Selenium with coding language Java or Python, or depends on TypeScript, anything that they will prefer. That maximum IT companies will prefer like according to the trending market technologies. The graph, if you see Java with Selenium, it's almost 65 plus to 70 is there. So that graph is it's nowadays it's going on Selenium with Java. And nowadays they're going with the Playwright also. Playwright concept also had been introduced. Lots of features had been added to market technologies. Like it's grooming. So Selenium people also doing good. So they were releasing new versions like by adding all the features to the Selenium. It's doing good compared to other open source platforms. Coming into the coding part, so in our classes, like what will be doing, what will be covering the training in all these classes, we'll be taking as Java as the our coding language. So we will fix on to the coding languages Java. In Java, what topics will be covered means like core Java, it's required only for automation. So we'll be covering all the core Java topics, what all things required for the automation. So it will be covered. The topics in core Java means 1 minute. I will share my screen. Amit, like it's disabled to share the screen. Hello, Amit.
No, Tejas, not visible.
No, no, Amit, means you disabled the screen sharing option.
Or means if you want, I have that. You can share that document in that our mentor group. I'll just open for you if you want.
Yeah. Please do open. I shared, yesterday and I shared, I
Okay, yeah,
think.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Give me a minute. Meanwhile, you can go ahead with your explanation. Meanwhile, I'll share
Yes,
the,
yes.
yeah.
Like our coding part is Java. Like preferably, why we go for Java in the sense it's an like open source tool also. Like it's easy to understand. Like from past like 20, 30 plus years, Java had been into means had been using in the market standards. So we prefer Java. In Java, many topics can be covered. Like basic Java oops concepts will be there. Then strings, threads, and the collections part. It's very important for automation perspective. Collections in that up to like tree set it is very important. Like many are there like streams and like from Java 8 versions they introduced streams and many things API streams they've introduced, but it's not that much important. You can go through this up to tree set collections. That is well and good for any automation setup or for coding purpose. That is well and good.
Uh,
Are you able to share,
yeah,
Amit?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm just sharing it. I'm just sharing it. Okay.
Then means everyone who are attending this class are from
Yeah,
manual background, right?
yeah. You can. Meanwhile, Tejas, you can just take introduction of everyone. So Jonah also joined us. Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
so
You can introduce yourself, like Lincoln, what you're doing. You can
yeah,
introduce
we can go
Sandeep.
with the introduction of everyone. Okay. So Lincoln, are you there? Lincoln. Else we go with Santosh. Santosh.
Yes, Amit.
Yeah, yeah. Please introduce yourself to us. Just
Okay.
like
Sure. Myself, I am Santosh. Like I have 2.7 years of experience into testing field. Mainly, I worked on manual testing along with the APIs and database as well. And also, I was into automation as my project was where we were working on developing an AI automation tool. So it is a completely codeless automation tool. So while doing the automation for this software itself, we have used BDD approach, BDD frame approach. Yeah, and that's all about from my side.
thank
That's the summary of my experience.
thank you so much, Santosh. Sandeep and
Thank
Joanna,
you.
if anyone want to introduce yourself, uh, in one two line also, it's fine. Okay. Uh, Sandeep.
Hi guys, good evening. Myself Sandeep. Currently, I'm actually looking for job change. I lost my job 1.5 year back due to layoff. Actually, my primary skill is manual, and I started learning from past 6 to 7 months on Selenium. Explore many things with the help of my friends and my own knowledge through different websites. And after I met with Amit, he has given me some confidence in improving the knowledge
Thank you so much,
as
bro.
per the market nowadays.
Definitely will
So
do
that
it, and
I'm
we
very
are
thankful, Amit, for this session.
here to help everyone. Okay. So what I believe in a concept of karma. If you are doing good to anyone, those things will come to you. Okay, you don't know how it will come to you, but it will come to you. Okay,
Yes, yes.
we have Joanna with us. Okay, if she's not comfortable talking, I'll just introduce herself. Her, she's from Canada, and she's also into QA. And thank you, Joanna, for joining us. Okay, so uh, see.
Uh,
Yeah, Jonah, please go ahead. Please go
yeah,
ahead.
hi.
Hi.
Hi, Amit.
Hi, Jonah.
Uh, yeah, as you said, I've been working in both manual and automation testing.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have 2 years of experience. Um, my contract ended last June, so I couldn't extend my contract. So right now I'm looking for a job. My job skills have Selenium with Java, and I've worked in frameworks using TestNG, Cucumber, POM with BDD behaviors. I've also experienced in API testing with tools like Postman and Rest Assured. Also, I'm familiar with uh, built-in tools like Maven, GitHub, Jenkins for continuous integration.
Thank
Yeah,
you so
that's all
thank you
from
so much,
my side.
Anna, and keep on
Yeah,
coming,
uh,
keep on coming regularly, because here, see, everyone is like mostly they got job recently, or they are trying to
okay.
change. So everyone is like job seeker
Hmm.
only, or they are working and they are trying to change job. So
Yeah, yeah.
if you are coming daily on the daily basis, it's a free of cost. You know that we're doing uploading it on our Facebook for our Facebook sorry, YouTube for our YouTube promotion. So
Okay.
here what will happen now, if you will come regularly, see, Sandeep is also there. He's also actively giving interview. You also actively giving interview in Canada.
Hmm.
Santosh is having 2.5 year of experience, and like he is also trying to give interview. Lincoln is also my friend, and he is also
Hmm.
trying
Hmm.
in DevOps. So
Okay. Okay.
everyone is in the same mindset. Okay.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah.
So definitely, means see, we are here. One guy is not present now, Angam, but
Hmm.
Tejas is there. Tejas is
Hmm.
also is a automation lead, and
Okay.
he has experience of offline and online both teaching. And as a team,
Hmm.
we are trying to run our online classes. This is the first batch only, so
Okay. Okay.
we are making it very affordable for everyone. And I have made one Telegram group where like I am
Hmm.
I'm telling my subscribers, those who are my subscribers to YouTube channel, they are eligible for this my first classes, my first online
Yeah, yeah,
classes.
yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Nothing we are charging, okay? And
Yeah.
we have Tejas also, Angam also, and Amit. Means we are three people who will be giving training. So if
Okay.
our classes will be regular in the sense, let's say if
Hmm.
someone is taking leave also, or there's some family planning or something, they are planning somewhere outside. So if they want to take break also, we have two backups. So our classes will
Yeah.
not get hampered. That is there. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Understood.
Okay. So
Yeah. Thank
guys,
you, Amit.
what happened to Balu? He didn't join today.
Uh, I think he might be in
Yeah.
work. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. So, guys, um, Tejas. Okay.
Yes.
Just conclude. Okay. We'll discuss those slides and in another next class. Okay. Because I'm
Hmm.
facing some technical issues. Okay. We are not that much prepared with the slide with the PPT.
Yes, yes, no
So
issues.
we can just brief about the right means current situation, like how it is difficult to get job, or how it is easy to get job, or what is the right direction, because you are taking interviews as well as a mock interviews. I also take mock interviews. So you can just tell our audience like what actually you see in a candidate, like those candidates who are getting selected, what actually you see in them. So please go ahead, Tejas. Then we'll conclude. Finally, we'll conclude our.
Yeah, yeah. Like market demanding is like lots of competition are there in current market. It's very difficult to get job. You like if you know automation also nowadays it's very difficult to get job to crack the interview. Like some people will tell I cleared L1 round, L2 round, but I'm not selected. Because what will happen means they will see the CTC concern also. And another part, technical things, how they told. Like nowadays, everyone will, like every company will do recording. They will see the recording, how the candidates they have done the interview. So that means in our company also we are following the same rule. Like other companies also will do the same. They will see the technique how they are done. Like for example, like you are told like 10 questions they will be asking. You told all the 10 questions. Like they will ask you to write the two programming codes. One you executed, Another one also like partially correct, but output is not coming. Then you're not selected. This the current technology means current trending in market because like lots of competition is there. So you should able to
Yeah.
get the output. If you
What
miss
what what
you
what I believe from my, like, I have been also giving from last 3 months, and like finally I got two offers. So what I believe, the once you clear the, you are able to write the Java code, you are able to execute it correctly. So you are almost 70% selected. And if you are somehow you miss that one, means that your interviewer has a mindset of that I'm not going to select him. Whatever good he will perform in his theoretical part. So guys, means
correct, correct.
we need to practice the programs. If you are able to do it, if you are able to run it, if you are able to write it, and for that also now, if any new program is given to you now, then it will be very difficult. If you have practiced it before, then it is fine. So guys, I think like our Zoom call also it will end. Okay, if you want to join it, I'll send the separate link. Because we have the constraint of 45 minutes, because it is not a paid version, we'll try to get it. Uh, so I think let's see, like if it might get end in 1 or 2 minutes.
Yeah. So yeah, finally it's like gaining the knowledge or
Yeah.
yeah, training and giving a mock. It's very important. So we'll guide you